Today, I want to touch on the subject of rate cuts in 2024 and the effect that will have on gold and silver prices. This is a timely discussion because precious metals prices have been pushed down over the last few days. Recent strong employment and consumer spending data have diminished expectations of rate cuts. We'll go over an article from Kitco. It's a bullish piece, one which I don't altogether agree with on some of their expectations, but much of it is what I've been saying all along. Let's get into it. Fed rate cuts could push gold prices up 20% this year, but silver will jump 48%, says Sweden-based investment firm AUAG Funds. Just from their name, AU and AG, the symbols for gold and silver, we expect the fund to specialize in precious metals, and indeed they do. A look at their website tells us a little about their ethos. We know precious metals and green tech elements are essential in the transformation to a sustainable world. In our current unsustainable financial system, we're also certain gold and silver investments are the winners. Indeed, these are gold and silver bugs. And our research wouldn't be complete without a look at their performance. Here's a look at their AUAG Silver Bullet A fund, which began in 2019. Yep, a surge in 2020 followed by a downward trend ever since. That pretty much tracks silver's price. Now, on to their analysis. Analysts at AUAG Funds said they expect to see a 20% rally in gold prices this year, with a target of $2,400 an ounce. That's what I've been saying. Back in December, I said my 2024 price target for gold is $2,400 and $30 for silver. This is all based on a shift in the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. Gold has struggled in recent days, with prices testing support just above $2,000 an ounce as markets start to lower their expectations for a potential rate cut in March. We've always said that rate cuts will be in Q3 of 2024, not March. The first time the March date was thrown out that I recall was Bill Ackman, the billionaire hedge fund manager known for attention-grabbing headlines. It was never going to happen in March, so I don't know who these fools are that were bidding up the gold price so soon. I'm not a financial guy, but it seems pretty obvious that during an election year, the powers that be are going to juice the economy. The optimal time would be June or July. On to silver. We predict the gold to silver ratio will drop below 30-1. Setting an initial goal for 2024 at 70-1. The ratio is currently at close to 90-1. In the article, they expect a multi-year bull market in gold and silver, so the 30-1 gold to silver ratio would then be played out over several years. As for 2024, they expect the ratio to drop to 70-1, which gives an even bigger upside potential for silver. Targets are $24.75 for gold and $35 for silver. This is the part I can't get on board with. My price targets are $2,400 and $30 respectively. That's an 80-1 ratio, which was generally the range for 2023. I don't see a catalyst to move silver higher in the near term. Expectations are for a slowing economy or outright recession. While the gold to silver ratio generally rises during recessions, it may not move in perfect synchronization with gold's price. Silver's price can lag behind gold's movements due to its dual nature as a precious metal and industrial commodity. Silver has significant industrial applications, and demand for these applications can dip during a recession. This further weakens silver's price compared to gold, which primarily acts as a financial asset. I really believe 2024 is gold's year to shine. Rate cuts, safe haven demand during escalating geopolitical conflicts, and continued central bank buying are the likely scenario that really signals higher prices for this year. Silver will follow, not lead, gold. I've shifted my stack into primarily gold. There are a few reasons for that. Primarily, I have enough silver, but also that scenario of conflicts, central banks, and rate cuts is the most likely to play out. Let us know how you feel, and be sure to hit that like button if you found any of this useful. I would be so grateful because it truly does help the channel. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, about safeguarding your future by stacking precious metals, be sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.